Hey ya, it's Angeline here. It's time for a fun crafty video with Unity stamp, and today I'm just gonna show you how to embellish with some glitter and sequins. So first, I've already stamped and colored this cute mouse set from Glanz and Unity stamp called the Wishing and Wishing, and I've also glittered it up using some Nuvo Glitter Drops White Blizzard and some Cinderella sequins from Unity stamp. So I'm just grabbing a black pen here to just draw a tiny heel for the mouse to stand on, and next I'm just going to use my Nuvo Glitter Drops here as a glitter drop and also an adhesive to adhere the sequins down to my card. What's great about this is if you do not have all the accessories and basic tools that you have, you can just use whatever that you have in hand and that it will work as well. So this card is kind of wide and simple if you compared it with my other cards, but I think simple is kind of nice at times, and it kind of shows off the stamp more. And who says every card needs to be complicated? So here is my finished card, just using some glitter and sequins to just decorate my entire card. I hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching. Bye!